The scientist that is the founder of atomic molecular chemistry goes by the name Amedeo Avogadro.
This man's journey began August 9, 1776 in Turin, Italy, where he lived throughout his entire life until he died on July 9, 1856.
He realized that elements can exist as molecules and not just as individual atoms, thus enabled him to be recognized today as the founder of atomic molecular chemistry.
Amedeo was very interested in how basic particles matter behaves and came together to form chemical compounds, so he studied the work of two other scientists, John Dalton and Joseph Gay-Lussac.
John Dalton had published a theory proposing that all matter is made up of atoms, while Joseph Gay-Lussac published his law of combining gas volumes, which led him to make his own law called the Avogadro's law, which stated that equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature and pressure contain equal numbers of molecules.
What led him to make his own law was the experiment testing Joseph Gay-Lussac's law, which led him to the reason that 2 liters of hydrogen gas plus a liter of oxygen gas equals 2 liters of gaseous water that decreases the volume because the number of particles present decreases.
He once quoted, "My studies of the natural sciences have particularly involved that part of physics which looks at the atomic world, the properties of molecules, the forces involved in their movement, the heat capacity of different substances, expansion of gases by heat, and the density and pressures of gases."
Based on the quote, Amedeo Avogadro basically stated that all of his work had evolved around the atomic world,
therefore stating that all of his work has contributed above and beyond towards the many studies of the atomic world and everything within it.
Interesting facts about Amedeo are, in 1796 he was awarded a doctorate in canon law and started to practice as an ecclesiastical lawyer.
His full name is Count Lorenzo Roman Amedeo Carlo Avogadro di Quarenga e di Cerreto.
In 1806, Amedeo Avogadro became a teacher, teaching physics and mathematics at a high school in Turin, and in 1809, Amedeo Avogadro became a professor at the College of Vercelli.
In 1820, Amedeo Avogadro became the mathematical physics professor at the University of Turin, but was fired in 1823 because of political turmoil.
Amedeo got married to Felicita Mays in 1818, and together they had 6 sons.
In conclusion, Amedeo Avogadro will always be remembered as a very important scientist when considering atomic chemistry and having an important role in shaping our understanding of atoms even today.